I don't think many of you guys realize how heavy this thing is. It's supposedly only 17 kilograms, but I was killing myself trying to carry this. So I'm sure many of you can guess what this is. This is the EUNI ES808 scooter. So excited. Let's see what we got inside. Nice. Does not sound good. Oh, this thing is so heavy. Oh. So excuse any heavy breathing you might hear. This thing was almost impossible to take out of the box, so we'll have to see how it works. So let's assemble this. It should be pretty easy. There's a couple of things here that they gave us to assemble, including instructions. So this is in Chinese, but I can read some, so should be okay. This is a warranty card. And then we got a couple things here as well as an Allen key. Yeah, hopefully it's as easy to assemble as, like, let's say IKEA stuff, because I'm really not good at assembling stuff. See what's in this box? So this is the charger, where we have the plug and then we have the actual adapter brick itself. Let's try assembling this scooter. Yeah. Okay, what do we have to do? Okay, so the scooter bar probably goes in here. So we gotta unscrew this. Ugh. So we gotta unscrew this and then put the bar in. So we're gonna do that right now. Whoops. So there are a couple of metal flakes. I can see it coming out, and they have Loctite on these bolts as well, blue Loctite. So let's put this in, and that's not right. Like this. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, this is right. I have to put this back and screw those in now. Whew, I'm sweating so bad because this is actually fairly difficult to put on. So this Loctite is super annoying. Whenever I go on site, I hate screwing in Loctite bolts because they are the worst, or unscrewing them. So then it's like impossible to actually... Okay, so that should be it actually. How do I unlock this? Kind of like that. Is that out? There we go, yes. So a quick overview of the EUNI ES808. This has a top speed of about 20 kilometers and a range of around 20 kilometers as well. But people say that the range for this scooter in real life is more closer to like 10 to 15 kilometers. So we'll see how that works. I'm not too heavy. I'm about 70 kilograms. So I should be okay for the scooter. First impressions in terms of build quality, it's decent. You got mostly plastic for everywhere. I will say that the finish of the scooter is good, except for the assembly. For example, we see right here, this rubber is not in properly, so you kind of have to like push it in if you want it to fit properly. This grip tape is also not padded down properly as well, so you gotta kind of pat it down a little bit to make sure that the grip tape is is stuck on properly as well. Finally, there was also a rubber grommet up there that was not in properly as well, but I pushed it in and mostly it works fine as well. Yeah, so this is it, and let's show you some of the features. So this right here is the little control panel that it has, and what you do is you're going to long press on this button and this control panel will actually start up, kind of like that. And then here you have your little horn, and here you have your lights and your manual as well. This right here is your little throttle that you can turn in order to make it go and stop. And if you go to the other side, this is the brake over here. And if you look at the wall, you can see that there are lights that light up every time you brake as well. So that's a good indication so that you don't die if you brake and someone can actually see you. And let's go to the bottom over here. Right here, you can see that right there is the front light, and then you have your 8-inch wheel, and of course don't put your finger in here, and right here is your plug. And finally, this is your grip tape so that you don't fall off, and here you can see that it lights up as you press on the brake. So let's go for a quick ride.